start from here. Unit 9.
Unit 9. Let's get the pizza. Look, what they have for a brunch, a pizza. There is not only onion but also cheese on the pizza. Oh, that looks so delicious. Delicious. That I could eat it all myself. No. The pizza is too big for you to eat. We'll share it.
Share
it. But they will never give us the pizza. Porky, you're not only dumb, but also very foolish. We could stand it. As soon as we enter the house, I'll greet them loudly.
Greet them
loudly. Then you take the pizza and run out. Great. The idea is not only simple, but also clever. Let's do it. Hello everyone. Do you like my new hat? You're not wearing a hat, Stinky. Porky, get the pizza and run. Look at Porky. He is so fat that he is stuck in a small door. Haha. He is too chubby to be a thief. Porky and Stinky, that was not only impolite but also rude. We're sorry. We got so hungry as soon as we saw the pizza. Still, it's wrong. I'll tell you what. As long as you don't do it again, we'll all share the pizza together. Share the pizza together.
Good.
We know we were wrong. We'll never do it again.